Are your daily habits setting you up for financial success? It's often said that achieving excellence in the big things starts by mastering the small ones. Excellence isn't just a rare event, it's a mindset, a way of life. So, how can you identify and cultivate the habits that will pave the way to greater wealth? In today's video, we're diving deep into the key habits that can help you build wealth and how you can seamlessly incorporate them into your life. Ready to take control of your financial future? Let's jump in. Number 1. Developing multiple income streams. The first step towards building wealth is ensuring that you have more than one source of income. In today's world, this is less of a luxury and more of a necessity. To grow richer, you need to increase your earnings. And a great way to do this is by creating multiple income streams. The good news is that you don't have to juggle multiple jobs. You can leverage your existing skills and knowledge. The recent pandemic has highlighted numerous opportunities, making various skills more profitable. There are many platforms where you can sell your skills on an hourly basis. Alternatively, if you prefer a more passive approach, you can invest in stocks and bonds, allowing your money to work for you. Habit 2. Establishing a budget. Budgets are essential, not just for tracking your expenses and bills, but also for managing your money in a way that builds wealth. A budget gives you a clear understanding of your current financial situation and helps identify areas where you can cut back to stay financially stable. If you're facing a financial shortfall, a budget will reveal this and help you find solutions. By creating a budget, you can control excessive spending, prioritize your income, and set realistic financial goals for the future. Habit 3. Making timely decisions. Making critical decisions at the right time is closely linked to financial success. Your decisions don't just impact your personal life, they have significant financial consequences. Making last-minute decisions, particularly those involving money, can jeopardize your financial future. Are you overly cautious, missing out on opportunities, or too impulsive, investing in every opportunity without proper research? The choices you make regarding your finances can either set you up for success or lead to failure. Don't hesitate to seek advice from financial experts, as their insights can provide you with new perspective. Habit 4. Avoiding negative self-talk. Managing finances can be stressful and often leads to anxiety, which can result in negative self-talk. It's common to criticize yourself over financial issues, but this doesn't help. Constant worry and self-criticism only add to your stress and can lead to feelings of shame, which demotivates you from taking action. Instead, it's crucial to maintain a positive, or at least neutral, outlook on your financial situation. Acknowledge the problem, but avoid letting a negative mindset take over. A positive attitude, coupled with effort, is essential to overcoming financial challenges. Consulting a financial advisor can also be extremely helpful in these situations. Habit 5. Expanding your financial knowledge. There's a vast amount of information about money and finance available online, yet many people remain financially uninformed. This lack of knowledge often hinders people from building wealth because they don't fully understand financial principles. While professionals can offer guidance, it's important to have a basic understanding of finance to evaluate the advice you receive. Learning about finance doesn't have to be daunting. You don't need to be a math or accounting expert. With some basic research, you can significantly improve your financial literacy. Understanding the principles of wealth building is crucial, as it's difficult to attain or sustain wealth without this knowledge. Habit 6. Resisting the urge to spend. Let's be honest, everyone faces temptation, whether it's buying a favorite snack at the store or splurging on a new pair of sneakers you don't really need. However, if you constantly give in to these urges, you could be doing more harm than good to your finances. Impulse spending won't improve your financial health. In fact, it can quickly lead to financial trouble. To avoid this, try to resist purchasing items you don't need. Only shop when necessary. Consider leaving your credit cards at home to prevent unplanned expenses. Being mindful of your spending habits might seem trivial now, but if you want to build wealth in the long run, learning to resist temptation is crucial. Habit 7. Effectively managing your debts. It's challenging to increase your wealth if you're burdened with excessive debt, especially if you're constantly borrowing to pay off previous loans. If this is your situation, it's important to face the reality that financial freedom will remain out of reach unless you take control of your debt. Since debt and loans are inevitable for many people, learning how to manage them is essential. Efficient debt management prevents your financial obligations from getting out of hand. Start by ensuring that all loan repayments are made on time to avoid accruing additional interest. Dedicate a portion of your monthly income to paying off your debts. Additionally, always seek loans with lower interest rates, as this can make a significant difference when it comes time to repay them. Habit 8. Steering clear of debt altogether. While many people see debt as unavoidable, it's actually best to avoid it entirely if possible. Contrary to popular belief, staying out of debt isn't as difficult as it may seem. It just requires extra discipline and planning. For example, saving up for major purchases, like a home or car, can prevent you from needing a mortgage. Building an emergency fund and adhering to a strict budget can also help you stay debt-free. If borrowing is absolutely necessary, only take out what you can comfortably repay. Habit 9. Establishing a consistent savings strategy. As your income increases, it's easy to fall into the trap of spending more, a phenomenon known as lifestyle inflation. However, if you want to accumulate wealth, savings should be a priority. Savings lay the foundation for financial security, provide a safety net during emergency, keep you from hitting financial rock bottom. To grow your wealth, you must commit to a consistent savings strategy. It may not be easy, but it's something within your control. Develop a savings plan and stick to it as if your future depends on it, because in many ways, it does. Number 10. Preparing for unexpected financial challenges. Life is full of surprises, and as time goes on, it becomes increasingly clear how crucial it is to be ready for unforeseen events. Who could have predicted that we would be confined to our homes for months, away from work, school, and loved ones? This experience highlighted the importance of being prepared for the unexpected. An emergency fund is a key part of this preparation, ensuring you have the means to handle unexpected expenses. Whether it's an unplanned car repair, a sudden home maintenance issue, or a hefty medical bill, having a financial cushion makes it easier to manage these costs. Without it, you might find yourself resorting to high-interest loans, which can push you further from financial stability. Habit 11. Investing in personal development. Investing in yourself is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. Wealthy individuals understand the value of continuous self-education, keeping themselves informed and skilled. They read, learn new skills, stay updated on current events, and continuously seek opportunities for growth. Gaining new qualifications or skills not only increases your chances of career advancement and higher income, but also equips you to make better financial decisions. Employers value individuals who are committed to personal growth, as it reflects a forward-thinking mindset. By investing in yourself, you increase your earning potential and deepen your understanding of the financial world. Habit 12. Growing wealth through investments. Investing is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. The great thing about investing is that you don't need a huge amount of money to start. As mentioned earlier, investing allows your money to grow with minimal effort on your part, provided you choose the right investments. While saving is important, investing is what really accelerates wealth accumulation. However, it's important to remember that investments come with risks. A poor investment decision can lead to significant financial loss, which is why thorough research is crucial before committing to any investment. Stick to areas you understand, and if you're uncertain, consult a financial advisor to ensure the investment aligns with your financial goals. This isn't to discourage you from investing, but to remind you that careful consideration is essential. Habit 13. Monitoring your credit. Keeping a close eye on your credit is a critical aspect of financial management. Good credit management opens up various benefits, while poor credit can lead to excessive debt. Credit facilities can give the illusion that you can afford more than you actually can, often with high interest rates attached. A simple rule to live by is, if you can't afford it in cash, you probably can't afford it at all. Track your spending on debit and credit cards carefully, and be sure not to exceed your credit limits. Habit 14. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals. The company you keep has a significant impact on your financial outlook. Research suggests that your net worth is often similar to that of your closest friends. We tend to adopt the habits and attitudes of those around us, which is why it's important to associate with successful people. Being around others who are financially successful can inspire you to think bigger and explore new ways to increase your income. If you aim to be wealthy, consider building relationships with those who have already achieved financial success. After all, success tends to attract more success. Number 15. Taking calculated risks. Success often involves taking risks, but it's important to ensure those risks are calculated. Wealthy individuals don't gamble with their decisions. They thoroughly research, analyze situations, consider all possible outcomes before making a move. Even if a risk doesn't pay off, they typically limit their losses by making informed decisions. However, if the risk is successful, the rewards can be substantial. That wraps up our discussion on 15 habits that can help you become wealthier. We hope you'll start incorporating these strategies into your life. Thanks for staying with us until the end. As a token of our appreciation, here's a bonus tip. Seizing opportunities. You won't make more money by staying at home all day, lounging around, or endlessly scrolling through streaming platforms. To increase your wealth, you need to be open to opportunities and ready to take advantage of them. Sometimes, opportunities come by only once or twice, so it's crucial to recognize and act on them when they arise. If you miss a golden opportunity, you may only have yourself to blame. Always do your due diligence before jumping in, but remember that making the most of opportunities is key to financial success. Do you have any tips you'd like to share with the community? Drop them in the comments section so we can all learn and grow together. Thanks for spending time with us today. We're glad you did. If you found today's video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit the bell icon to never miss an update, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, my friend.